How to turn on or off flashlight on Android. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can turn on or off flashlight on Android. Turning the flashlight on or off on Android device is typically a simple process. Here's the process how you can do that. First option is that you can use your quick setting. You can unlock your phone or swipe down from the top of the screen. Once you have been swiped down from the top of the screen, you can see the torchlight option or look for the option of flashlight here, which looks like a small flashlight. And you can tap on the flashlight icon to turn it on. So this icon will usually light up to indicate it's on. You can tap it again to turn off the flashlight. Also, you can open up your camera app here. You can go and open up your camera app. So, if available, you can see the flashlight. Just go and tap on the flashlight, and here you can see that you can simply open up your flashlight. So, if this method doesn't work or your phone's flashlight is not accessible, you may need to check your device specific setting or app for flashlight access. So this is the simple step how you can turn on or turn off flashlight on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.